How to cast Stremio on TV. Step 1. Launch the Stremio app on your phone or computer. Make sure your TV and device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for casting option to show. Step 2. Select any movie or TV show inside Stremio. Hit play to start streaming. You'll now see the cast icon appear in the video controls if your casting device is detected. Step 3. Tap the cast icon. Choose your casting device from the list. This could be your smart TV, Chromecast, or even a Fire TV stick. The video will now begin playing on your TV screen. If you are using Stremio via browser, use Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, choose Cast, and select your TV or device. Once casting starts, return your Stremio tab to stream content on your TV. And that's it!